Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we are diving into a question a lot of beginners have. Which IDE should you use for C++ when you're just starting out? There are a lot of IDEs out there for learning and working with C++, from JetBrains Selenium to Microsoft Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code, which seems to be everyone's favorite lightweight editor. Well, not everyone's favorite, but we'll get into that. These are my top 4 recommendations for any beginner starting out in C++. An IDE isn't just a text editor, it's your entire toolbox, your environment, your workshop, where you'll find every single thing you need to write, run, and debug your code. And choosing the right IDE can seriously affect how you approach programming overall. Starting out at number 4 is Microsoft Visual Studio Code. VS Code is honestly one of the best IDEs right now. It lets you work with tons of programming languages and projects, both small and large. It's cross-platform, meaning you can use it on Windows, Mac, or my personal favorite, Linux. It's fast, free, and has tons of C++ extensions. But it's not built specifically for C++. You will need to install a compiler and set up the right plugins yourself, which can be a bit tricky for absolute beginners. In third place, we have JetBrains Selenium. Selenium is fantastic if you're serious about C++ development. It has smart code completion, CMake supports build writing, and it's amazing for refactoring, which is just a fancy way making your code look cleaner, easier to read, and better organized. One downside with Selenium is the fact that it's a paid IDE, so you'd have to pay for the service after the trial ends. In second place, we have Visual Studio by Microsoft. Microsoft Visual Studio is an industry standard IDE for Windows developers. It offers an amazing debugger, a massive plugin ecosystem, and handles big projects beautifully. However, I usually recommend it for more large-scale development because it has a huge install size and can be pretty heavy on lower-end machines. Finally, my top recommendation for beginners is CodeBlocks. It's super easy to set up, simple to use, and also works across different operating systems. It's great for low-spec PCs and perfect if you want to just jump right into coding without getting lost in the complex settings. Sure, the interface looks a little outdated, but when you're starting out, simple is simply better. In conclusion, if you want something powerful and you're on Windows, try Visual Studio. If you want something lightweight and super customizable, VS Code is a great choice. But if you're a complete beginner, just trying to learn C++ as fast and simply as possible, go with CodeBlocks. It's a fantastic place to start. And of course, this is just my opinion. Let me know down in the comments which IDE you use for C++ development. I'd love to hear from all of you. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. See you.